Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing just fabulous. Just fabulous. On today's menu, we have some Jack Daniel glazed chicken wings. And of course, my chicken has been washed with some lime and stuff, and now I'm going to season it. So I added my seasoning, and this is some onion powder. Yes, some onion powder. And also I'm adding a little bit of salt because the seasoning itself has salt in it, so that's why I'm not putting too much salt. So now we're going in for the rubber dub. We're rubbing it up, getting the flavors, the nice seasoning everywhere. Yes, get it everywhere. And so I'm alternating in adding the all the stuff to it, right? So this is some, what do you call it again? Oh my goodness, some baking powder. Yes, that was some baking powder, and then I went in with some of the seasoning again. So for the baking powder, I was only using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is about 3 pounds of chicken wings. So you can use 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and that is just to make them crispy because I'm going to be putting them in the oven. So guys, I'm taking my time and adding the baking powder and then the seasoning. I'm doing it like that so that I can make sure that it is all rubbed in properly and rubbed out properly, because I do not want to bite into any of my wings and I bite and taste a big blob of baking powder. That's not gonna work. So yeah guys, so next we are going to be putting the chicken into the oven, right? And the oven needs to be 180 degrees Celsius. Set it at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to put the wings in for 40 minutes. After the first 20, we take them out, flip them. So this is some of my wings, and here I'm putting them in. So for 20 minutes, then I'll flip them. So here are my ingredients that I will be using. So now this is 2/3 cup of water, 1 cup pineapple juice, 1/4 cup teriyaki sauce, and my teriyaki sauce has roasted garlic in it. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 1/3 cups brown sugar, and then we're just going to give it a little stir just to, you know, get everything all evenly distributed before we add the rest of the ingredients. So next we are going in with 3 tablespoons of minced white onion and 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm only using 1 teaspoon because my teriyaki sauce has in garlic. And I just added 1 tablespoon crushed pineapple, and the last thing was the lemon juice, 3 tablespoons lemon juice. So yeah guys, stir that up, give it a nice stir, and some of the ingredients might be in chunk, like, you know, the onion might be together or the pineapple, so you just try mash those out. By the way, if your teriyaki sauce doesn't have in garlic, just use 1 head of garlic. So here I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the Jack Daniel whiskey. If you like your thing, you know, if you like your liquor, maybe add another one. But the 3 is perfect. The 3 is absolutely perfect. So mix that, and then just leave it to simmer down. And you have to watch it because remember, the sugar is in it. So here it is bubbling. That's the fire that I have it under. So now here's my wings, but this is after 40 minutes. So I didn't show when I flipped them. So here they are, nice and done. I'm going to set them to the side until my sauce is finished. So yes, here it is bubbling away. And guys, you need to watch this. In total, I think maybe it took like maybe 40 minutes or more. So see, it's getting a little bit thick right here. Now this is better. So what you're looking for is for the sauce to stick to the spoon. So right here it is thickening up some more, as you can see. And look at my little pineapple chunks, I see you. Yes, so it's thickening up nicely, it's getting there, and that's what we are looking for. So here it is. This is much better, right? And by the way, guys, it is, as when you take it off and you set it aside, it will thicken more when it cools down. Look at it right here. So don't worry about it when you see it because it looks watery, that you're saying, oh no, it's not done. No, guys, it's done, because when it settles, it's going to get so thick. So yeah. So here I'm just going to pour it on my chicken. Look at it, pour away, girl, pour away. Yes, yes, yes. I am ready. Look on the heat. Come through, steamy, steamy, my friend. So yes, we are going to toss away, flip away, rub-a-dub-dub-dub-dub. Rub-a-dub-dub, Mr. Rub-a-dub-dub, eh, Mr. Rub-a-dub-dub, eh. But that's not gonna work. So because the glaze is so lusciously lush and so thickety thick, just so nice. Look at it, all sticky and loving. I love you, you little sticky fur. So yes, because it's so sticky, it's kind of hard to toss. So I am using my spoon to just get it all over it. And yes, take time with them wings. Take time. You gotta love on them wings. Love on them, miss I love pan them. Eh, love pan them, miss I love pan them. Oh, miss I love pan them. Vibes fam, these are just everything. So yeah, take your time, and then this is gonna be us. Vibes fam, run come here. Me say run come here, unu run come yeah. Lunchtime, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Where's the bell? I am ringing the bell for everyone to run. Run come here, run from the east, run from the west, run from the north, run from the south. Look at these wings. They're so glazedy, glazed. Look at them shining so bright. Oh yeah, shine so bright, my friend. Yeah. And check out that sauce. Check it out. Vibes fam, don't let the sauce fool you. As I said, even though it will seem running, because you just stick your spoon in it, and if it stick to the spoon a bit, even though it look runny, that is it. Don't go no further. It's gonna get so thick and nice. Vibes fam, this is delicious. This is my favorite chicken wings. When I go to TGIF, this is my favorite chicken wings. This is, listen, yes, I need your legendary Jack Daniel's wings in my system when I go there. So yeah, I had to try it. I was like, let me try and come up with something, and it tastes like it. So Vibes fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you all.